Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today we're talking about the Remington Indestructible haircut and beard trimmer. So on my channel previously I had a review of this. This is the Wahl beard and haircut trimmer. And I must say that at first this worked really good for about 6 months, and then it just really turned into a piece of junk. The head broke off, it wasn't working, it wasn't trimming as well. All of these pieces started to crack. You can see in the back there, that piece is cracked. So to actually pry this off, I have to use scissors, and now it's not taking a charge. So it is battery powered, which stinks because when you have it plugged in, it does not actually hold a charge. So you can hear it. Sounds horrible, going dead. So went out, picked up a new Remington version. So I went with a completely different brand than the Wahl. And what I kind of drew my attention to this is that it's virtually indestructible, which is what I need because I like to destruct everything. So in here, you get 9 different sizes of trimmers. So these are both used for beard and for your haircut. Actually, my wife cuts my hair, so she used this to cut it, and she is by no means a professional, but she was able to cut my entire head with this. I think the one piece, just right off the bat, that it's missing are scissors. I like having scissors with things. So I think that's maybe the one piece that's missing. But it comes with these blades, it comes with the bag, it comes with this little styling comb, and then this is a beard comb. So if you happen to be growing a epic long beard like this dude, it actually comes with this beard brush for that. I also have been using this to actually just clean the blades, just to scrape the hair out of the blades when I'm using it. A lot of hair going on. So I do like the fact that this top here comes off very easily. So it just slides right in and out, and it's actually magnetic. Oop. So you can see it's a magnetic one, whereas the Wahl one actually clips in, and I think that's what really broke it. So to slide that back in, you just put it on top, line it up, trying to do this with one hand, just click it in. And then comparatively, here's how this one sounds when it's turned on. Very quiet. And I do like the fact that this one plugs in. There's about an 8 to 9 foot cord. It's a really, really long cord, and it's a plug-in one. So I do not trust the battery ones. I think that they just run dead quicker because you're constantly plugging them in and charging them and using them, and it doesn't last very long. So, you know, definitely have a lot of hair to trim on the face, the hair, and this has been a really nice addition compared to the Wahl brand. Other thing they give you is just a little bit of oil. They do recommend that you oil it up after every use. I don't know if I'm going to stick to that. I don't usually. But to give you an idea of what sizes you're dealing with here, you can see they're all numbered. So you have different sizes. You got from a 1/16 of an inch all the way up to 1 inch blade for cutting. And they just kind of go in order there. So just depending on what you're going for, you can follow along with the numbers there. So I highly recommend this. I think I spent around $40 on this, and for having my wife cut my hair, gets rid of the $40 cost within a month. I go twice a month usually for 20 bucks a piece, so it kind of pays for itself. So this Remington brand, I'd like to say, compared to this Wahl, which is another product you could get that's pretty comparative in price, you could see the size difference too. Obviously this has the battery side to it, but the size difference itself, this definitely feels better in the hand when you're using it. This one's a little bit small, but I think it's just going to take some getting used to because I've been using the other one for, like I said, about a year now until it just completely broke out. I will say the clippers too, the actual plastic pieces, these ones feel very frail, and since they keep breaking, these ones seem like the plastic's a little bit better here in the back. It's no difference here on the front part, but these back parts feel a little bit stronger, so we'll see how they hold up. Being that I do use these a lot. So if you like this review, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you wanted to see the Wahl review that I did about a year ago, you could go ahead and click over to that. That's going to be at the end of the video here. If you'd like to purchase this, there's a link down below. That helps you, that helps us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.